So hello Gilly Pops, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is upon the H&M sale recommendation. One of you commented on my channel. I was very overwhelmed that somebody wants my recommendation. I have like some of the products with me, but some which I don't have, I am only recommending because it's in a great price. I am having that product, and if it's like not available, it's out of stock, I would recommend you some similar items that is like literally on sale and it's really in budget, like inside 500 and 1,000 bucks. So who doesn't want to buy from H&M in this budget? And I think the motto of this video would be H&M sale recommendation. Really excited about this video. Let's not wait and let's get straight into the video. I think the first one would be basic pink top. This is the top, this is the price, and this is how I would with a tube top inside it to just give that minimal casual look. It's a really cute, pretty pink top. So next, I think I would be recommending you this gray top, and it's in the price what it is H&M. This basic wear, you can just use it in your gym, and you can use it regularly in everyday wear. This is such a comfy top, and I basically use it in gym. So you can see how I have paired this look. Next would be this red sweetheart neck t-shirt that is, I think, in the price 299. I think I have this orange top that is a collared cropped top, and this is how it looks on me, and it really gives you that chic vibe when you pair it with black, some kind of black, and it would also look good on white. So this is a pop-up color when you're going for vacation. You can just have this top, and this is really a wakey vibe top. So I thought of recommending this too. Of course, we have this cropped strappy top that is in the price 299. You know, you can pair it with a shirt, with an oversized shirt, go-to outfit. Anyone could pair up and be a baddie. So yeah. That I got these pajama and shorts in 1,799. Literally, I have ordered. It is yet to come, but in the price, it is giving the cotton kind of look, and it is, I think, very soft. And in the price, it is selling. So I thought of recommending you guys. And we have this polo t-shirt. This is not on sale, but I found some similar ribbed polo shirt that is on sale. The price is 399, and this is kind of similar. It would give you that sporty look yet casual. Top, I am wearing it right now, and this is how I wore. And the top is currently on sale. It's a body hugging top, and currently it's in 399. So I think you should buy it because it gives you that snatched look. So yeah. After that, this is how I wore my bodycon dress that was from, I think, H&M only, but we found the similar ones, I would say, is in white and this is in blue. These both are in the price of 699. Anyone could believe you can get a dress inside 1,000. These dresses are, I think, good purchase in the sale time because its actual price is 12.99, and I think the similar ones are also of these price range only. I have a pair of shorts that I have ordered but I have not received yet, and these are the pink shorts, a stripy shorts in a poplin material, I mean a cotton material only. So these are pajama shorts, and we are getting 2 in 700. So I think this is also within budget and so affordable and great sale. So it's basically 50% off also, right? So I think it's a must-have, must-buy product. And that we have this sweatshirt shorts that I have ordered, but I am not having right now because it's delivered at my hostel. And oh, this is a really cool short, and casually you can just wear it in your home. It's in the price 459. So check. I have this blue short sleeve thong body. It's in a vibrant blue color, and this is how I wore. Now on 20% off, and it's in 639. It's really body hugging thong body. How I paired with a cream cargos. Talking about the cargos are also on sale, and it's a canvas cargo trouser that is in 539. What? I bought it in 1,600 something, and now it is in 539. So great product for everyday casual wear. So some fitted t-shirt in black one. So this is how I paired, and it's in the price of $4.99. So use it in every way and like casually, occasionally, every way. So this is one fitted black top, basic black top that you should have. One more fitted top that is in a pink shade, and now it's in 339. It's on a baby or dusty pink shade, and now it is in 399. So last but not the least, I had this blue tank top, vest top. I don't think I find a similar one on sale, but I got these on sale of 399. That's a pretty cool color for the summer. While you're looking for everyday wear, you can run to H&M and buy these kind of basic. But section, any girl that loves fitted shirt, snatched waist. So we have this white shirt that is a fitted poplin shirt. It's currently on sale in 500. So girl, I think that is it for the video. I hope you guys would have loved it and loved my recommendation. And I also tried to attach the outfit, how I wore and how it looks on the body. So I hope that would be really helpful to you guys. If you love these kind of videos, please let me know in the comment section that how I am doing. So those who have not subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be really, really, really sweet of you. And yeah, that is it for the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.